Hello and welcome to Module 3, Lesson 2, Formatting Footnotes, Part 2, Content. You might be wondering, what is this Chicago Manual of Style people keep mentioning?
Well, wait no more.
In this lesson, we'll learn what the Chicago Manual of Style is and how to use it to write beautiful footnotes.
Are you ready? Let's begin.
Each scholarly community has a set of rules about how to cite material in their field. Different disciplines use different rules. Many of the history disciplines, including art history and musicology, use the rules established by the Chicago Manual of Style.
The Chicago Manual of Style, CMS, first appeared in 1891. That's right, that means CMS is over 100 years old. Wow! Signed by the University of Chicago Press in the 1890s, the CMS dictated the rules for people printing books at the time. These rules standardized how books published by the Chicago Press would look. CMS is important for you because it will help you to convey your reader the sources you're referencing in a quick, clear, professional manner.
Lucky for you! There is an easy-to-access summary of the Chicago Manual of Style rules attached to the course website. It's as easy as clicking on the link and scrolling through until you find the sort of item you'd like to cite. The CMS organizes itself by type of resource, so if you want to cite a book, look for the book example. Let's take a look at how this entry works. This 1 before the entry tells you how to cite a source the first time it appears in your paper. The first time you cite your source in a footnote, always provide full information. In the case of a book, include the name of your author, first and last, the title, where and by whom it was published, the year, and the pages where your quote can be found. It's also very important to use the same punctuation as the CMS's example. When the CMS puts titles in italics, write your titles in italics, and so on. Each kind of source uses different punctuation. In citations, these things matter. You'll notice a shorter version of your footnote appears next, in number 2. Every subsequent time you reference your source, you use a shorter citation. Only cite the full information the first time. With most sources, all footnotes after the first full citation only require the author's last name, a shortened title, and the page number.
Professor Francis says,
The best part about short titles is that you decide what they'll be.
That's right. As the author of your paper, you get to decide which 2 to 3 words you'll keep from the longer full title. Keep it simple, stick with words that clearly point to your original source.
And as for that last entry, the final item in the CMS entry shows you how to format your source in your bibliography. Your bibliography is the list of sources that appears at the end of your paper. Please note, there are subtle but important differences between how one formats a full footnote and an entry for the bibliography. Pay attention to these differences. Difference 1. Author name shifts from first name, last name to last name, first name. Difference 2. Punctuation shifts from commas to periods. Difference 3. Brackets disappear in the bibliography.
All forms of publications are covered by the Chicago Manual of Style. Articles, websites, CD liner notes, videos, and many, many more. So look up the media type you're searching for and follow the instructions for how to cite it. And that's it for this lesson on formatting footnotes. Let's see what you've learned.